To start, navigate to the Insert tab and find the Illustrations group. There, click the Chart button to open the Insert Chart dialog box. Within this box, select the Bar tab where you'll find several bar chart design options. For this example, choose the first option called Clustered Bar and confirm by clicking OK. Word will then insert the selected chart type directly into your document. Alongside the chart, a spreadsheet window opens displaying default data. This is where you can replace the existing values with your own information to tailor the chart to your needs. For this demonstration, we will stick with the default data, so once you're done reviewing, simply close the spreadsheet. Now let's move on to customizing the chart's position within your document. Click on a blank area inside the chart to select it, then look for the Layout Options icon on the right side. From the available choices, select Tight under the Text Wrapping section and make sure the Move with Text option remains checked. This setup lets the chart flow naturally with the surrounding content. You can now drag the chart by holding down the left mouse button and moving it wherever you want on the page. Adjusting the size of the chart is just as simple. Click any corner of the chart area, then drag one of the corner handles to resize it until it fits perfectly in your layout. Next, let's edit the chart title. Click on the text labeled Chart Title and replace it by typing your own title. In this case, we'll name it Bar Chart to reflect the data. If you want to add or remove elements like the chart title, data labels, legend, axes or trend lines, click on a blank spot within the chart and select the Chart Elements button on the right. For example, checking the Data Labels box will display the values directly on the bars. Changing the design and color of the chart is also straightforward. Select a blank area inside the chart, go to the Chart Design tab and locate Chart Styles. Click the drop-down arrow to explore different style options. To change the color scheme, remain in the Chart Design tab and choose Change Colors, then pick the palette you prefer. Remember, the chart in Word is dynamic. If you change the data in the spreadsheet, the chart updates automatically. If the spreadsheet is closed, you can reopen it by clicking the chart, going to the Chart Design tab and selecting Edit Data. For instance, changing a value in the table instantly updates the chart display. If you have extensive data or frequently changing numbers, creating your chart in Excel and copying it into Word is recommended. Just make sure to keep the chart linked to the original Excel file for seamless updates. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like.